Good morning, student. In the last class, we have discussed about 5.2 up to the 14th question. Today, we will continue with the 15th question. What is given in the 15th question? For what value of n, both the arithmetic progression are equal to arithmetic progression is given. At which nth point, both the arithmetic progression are equal, they are asking. So, first arithmetic progression is given 63, 65, 67. So, common difference is 2. So, we have taken 2. Find the nth term for that one. So, a nth term equal to a plus of n minus 1 into d. So, a is 63 here, n minus 1 no, into d. So, if you are simplifying, you are getting a nth term for the first arithmetic progression is 61 plus of 2n. Okay. Then second arithmetic progression is given 3, 10, 17, it is increasing. So, find the a nth term. Then we are putting the value of a is 3, n minus 1 into d is here 7. Then you are simplifying a nth term equal to minus 4 plus of 7. That means both n are equal. So we equate the a nth term. First a nth term equal to second a nth term. So 61 plus of 2n equal to minus 4 plus of 7n. Group the number and group the variable. You are getting 65 equal to 5n. Therefore n equal to 65 upon 5. That is 15th term will be equal in both the arithmetic progression. That is your 15th question. 16th question. What is that? Find the arithmetic progression if third term is 16 and seventh term is fifth term plus of 12 is added. Seventh term is fifth term plus of 12 term is added. Then immediately we want to find the first term and the d. Then only we can write the arithmetic progression. So to find the d, from the seventh term I am finding a7, a5 term equal to plus 12 is there. So by using this formula I am finding the d. How? am term minus of n minus of n. So a7 minus of 5, I am shifting this 5 fifth term here. a minus 5 equal to 12. Then I am substituting here a7 minus of a5 equal to upon 7 minus 2. So 12 upon 2. So d will be 6. Okay, one common difference we have found. Then go for the first term. First term a we have to find. So a nth term formula we can use. A nth term already given here 16 or a7 whatever you can take. 16 is directly his answer is there. So a third term I am equating. A3 equal to a plus of 3 minus of 1 into 6. So I am equating here a value I am getting 16 minus 12 4. So starting number is 4. Common difference is 6. Therefore, the series of arithmetic progression is 4 plus 6, 10. 10 plus 6, 16. It will be increasing. That is your 16th question. Okay. 17th question. An arithmetic progression is given. What is your question? From the last number. Here what is given? 3, 8, 13. Last number 2, 5, 3. It is given. From the last, what is the 20th term they are asking? So from the last means, I am assuming the last number as a first number. So I am taking a as 253. Then we need a 20th term. So 20 I am writing. So a plus of n minus 1 into d. When you are minusing from this side, starting number, you will get plus 5. When you are this one becomes the starting number, your difference will become minus 5. So d will be minus 5. A is from the last 253 I have taken. So now you substitute for a 20th term. A 20th term equal to 253 plus of 20 minus 1 into minus 5. Then I am simplifying here minus 95, here 253. So minus in difference you are finding. A 20th term will be from the last 158 number will be there. From the last 20th term it is standing 158 number. Okay. Then 18th problem. What they have given? A 4th term plus of 8th term equal to 24. A 6th term plus of a 10th term equal to 44. What is A and D? And write the arithmetic progression. 3 arithmetic progression they are asking. So what you have to do? First expand this A4 and A8 as per the norms given for 4th term. So what have I done? A plus of 4 minus of 1d for 4th term plus of a plus of 8 minus of 1d for the 8th term, that is equal to 24. Now I am simplifying. I am getting finally 2a plus of 10d equal to 24. First equation. Same thing for the second equation. In second equation, a sixth term, a tenth term equal to 44. So a sixth term means what will be your equation? 2a plus of 14b equal to 44 it will come, because sixth term is 5. A will be there, 5d will be there. Here a will be there, 9d will be there. So d, a it will be 2 times of a plus of 14 times b equal to 44. Two equation. Solve the equation. So I am directly minusing because 2a is there. So I am minusing. When I am minusing, I am getting this 2a. Sign will be changing. 14 minus 10. So minus 4d. Here minus 44, 24. So minus 20. If we calculate d equal to 5. How? 20 divided by 4. So d we are calculated. Take this d and substitute in any one of the equation and find the a. First equation I am taking 2 into a plus of 10 into 5 equal to 24. I am changing the number and variable. So 2a equal to minus 26. Therefore a equal to minus 30. Therefore your arithmetic progression is what? Minus 30. Then difference is 5. If you minus plus 5 here, you will get minus 8 plus 5 here, minus 3 will be increasing. Okay. So up to this one I have completed 18th question. 19th question, what is given? A person is getting a salary. Starting salary is 500 and every time they are giving increment of 200 and finally he is getting 7,000 in 1 year. How many years after he is getting this 7,000? Okay. So find the end. This you take it as a homework. In this problem, what is the given? A is 5,000 starting number. B is difference 200 and A term is 7,000. You have to find the n number of terms. How many number of terms will be there? How many years after you will be getting 7,000 rupees? Okay, n you have to find. Up to this one today we will complete. In the next video we will continue the next exercise. Thank you.